Hi, in this video we are going to take the help of take screenshot. It's not an actual interface but it's an abstract interface. So we'll take the help of take screenshot abstract interface and try to get the screenshots out of Firefox as well as Chrome browser. There is a catch. I'm going to show you that first. So I have created a class here, the name simple screenshot, and I have created a bunch of lines of code here. I hope you understand, nothing complex. I have created a private static, a web driver, and with that reference I have created a Firefox driver object, and using that I have maximized the screen. And I'm going to open this espncricinfo.com site, which is one of my very favorite sites for testing purposes. And then I have given a sleep of 5000 milliseconds. So the next thing that we are trying to do here is that, as I told earlier, we are going to take the help of take screenshot. Okay, sorry, screenshot. This is a abstract interface. So what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to typecast the driver to take screenshot, and the way that you do is like this. Okay, I'm going to refer it as TSS. So I need to import it. Just hover on this and you just need to import it from Selenium. Okay, make sure that if you are having some other API, don't import it from there. So once you have imported that, the next thing that you have to do is that if you go to take screenshot, there is a method called get screenshot. So this is taking the help of this, we are going to take the screenshot of the web page. And how we do that, just do tss dot and get screenshot as, and using the output, again output type here is another abstract interface, and in that I'm going to take the help of file. Okay, so once we have that file, I'm going to if you see here, this returns, if I hover on this returns a file object. Okay, so I'm going to take that into file object, and once I'm here, I need to import the file. Make sure that you are again importing it only from java.io. So once you have imported, all the errors will be gone. And the next thing is that I take the help of file utils class, and if you see file utils, you'll see that all the methods in file utils are static. Okay, if you are on Mac, just press command O. If you are on Windows, press control O. You'll be able to see all this. So all of the methods you see here are static methods. So we are going to take help of one of those static methods. I'll say copy to directory. Okay, so copy file to directory. Okay, and you get two overloaded methods. First one is with the file source and destination, and the second one is if you want to preserve the earlier file, then you can use that, or else no, you can just ignore that and use this one. So the destination, again make sure that it's not a string, it's a file. Again it's a destination directory, so it doesn't matter whether it is a file or the directory, you have to use file object. Okay, the overloaded file which accepts a string. The string is nothing but where actually you have placed your screenshots, or where you want to place your screenshot. So right now I'm going to place it under the base of this project directory. I'm fine with that. So I'm done with this. So if I try to run this now, let me try to uh, okay, format this. I have formatted this. If I try to run this now, right click, run as. I'm not using any TestNG or JUnit. I want to run it as a Java application. So when I try to run it, you see that the Firefox will launch. Okay, just give it a second. Okay, I have not given driver.quit, so this will not close the browser. So we are good with this. If I try to refresh now, where is that refresh? Yeah, refresh now. You see that a screenshot has been added. So when I try to open this, you see that it has taken the entire page. Okay, it has taken the entire page screenshot. And let's try to, let me quit this, and let me try to open the same using the Chrome browser. Okay, just give me a second, and let me, okay, and I need to import that Chrome browser. I have imported that, so let me format this. So what I'm trying to do here is that I'm setting with the help of the set property from system class, I'm setting this webdriver.chrome.driver to the Chrome driver that I have downloaded. Okay, I have placed that in under USR user and bin, and I'm launching the Chrome browser and I'm maximizing the screen. It's pretty much the same code. Okay, and if I try to run this, run as Java application, you will see that it launches a Chrome browser, and because that we have not closed it, it will not close this browser. Okay, we are done with that. And what I'm going to do before I do anything is that I am going to delete the old one. Okay, just so that we don't get confused. And if I try to refresh this, you see that another screen has been generated, but you see that it has taken uh, only the viewport. Actually, we call this as viewport, only the viewport, which is nothing but whatever the user can view. If you want to view the rest of the page, you have to come down, and you have to navigate to the bottom of the page, or you have to scroll down. You see that that is the main difference between taking screenshot on Firefox versus Chrome. And the same problem is there with Safari also. I'm not going to walk you through that because whatever the solution that we are going to discuss in the next video, it is applicable for almost all the major browsers that Selenium supports. Okay, so let me try to delete this. And this, the issue that you have observed here, like only the viewport screenshot that the Chrome has taken, it's not an issue with Selenium. Okay, it's a issue with the Chromium. Okay, so if I try to launch let me open this, and let me show you. I think I have somewhere here. Okay, this is one issue. Okay, if you see here, this is an existing issue. The Safari driver only takes screenshots of the visible viewport. The same is with the Chrome also. Okay, this is the issue location. Just in case if you are interested, you can navigate here, and you can see. Okay, sorry, this is also for Safari only. Yeah, but actually we have similar issue for Chrome also. Yeah, here it is. Okay, it doesn't work on F11 or something like that. I opened it somewhere. Okay, yeah, you see that Chrome driver to take screenshot is not full page. Okay, if you try to navigate, you see that it clearly says the issue is since very long, almost more than 3 years now. If you navigate to the bottom, someone has asked only today. Okay, someone has asked today. Today is April 7th. Someone has asked if there are any plans to add this particular feature. So as of now, there is no alternative that you can directly interact using the take screenshot. You cannot take the complete screenshot uh, of the website if you open it through Chrome. Okay, if the website is not complete within the viewport, you cannot scroll, and you cannot continue directly. Yes, there are alternatives, there are workarounds. That is what we are going to discuss in the next coming videos. So next coming videos, what we are going to discuss is there are two ways using which we can take the complete screenshot of any website in the Chrome browser, or for that matter any browser. So the first method is using JavaScript. Okay, this is not JavaScript. Okay, for some reason it's showing as F, but that is JavaScript. Okay, using the JavaScript we are going to use that. We have JavaScript executor, we can use that. And the second one is using the A-Short API. So watch for the next video, and if you have any questions, any comments that you have, any feedback, please leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.